Assignment 29 shouldn't be too bad. I just want to remind you something about what a ratio is in mathematics. To give you a little hint for the Harkness table problem, and we'll listen to a little journey. First one is ratios. Remember, a ratio is simply one number divided by another. So x over y is a ratio, 4 over 7 is a ratio. So just keep this in mind. As you're working on problem number 1, it asks you to find the ratio of the length of the shortest side to the longest side. All that means is you don't need to find the shortest side or the longest side. You simply need to find the ratio of one to the other. For example, if the shortest side was 4 and the longest side was 8, this could be the ratio. If you wanted to, you could simplify it to 1/2. But just be careful in problem 1, they're not asking you to find the exact length of either the shortest side or the longest side. You just need to use those two to find the ratio of the two sides. While we're here, I'll just give you a quick little hint for problem number 2. Problem number 2 is a Harkness table question. It's a bit funny because actually Harkness tables are oval by definition. But for this particular question, my hint is you'll want to use right triangles in your solution to this problem. So somehow figure out a way that you can create some right triangles on the Harkness table problem, and that should help a lot. The only other thing to talk about today, one of my favorite songs that we probably listened to on Sirius a couple of times in class. You may have also heard it on Glee, which is a great version, but neither of those versions is as good as the following version. So just sit back and enjoy.
Just a small town girl living in a confusing world. She didn't understand geometry. One day she took a look at her geometry book. So many different things to memorize. Lots of shapes and formulas. Squares are just a few. She didn't know what to do. It went on and on and on and on. Angle, measures, areas, perimeters, too. It's all too much through the night. Work hard, not fail. Living just to pay attention. Study somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill. Hey, anything to ease the test. Just one more try. Some will pass, some will fail. Some will cry and some will wail. Oh, the math never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Teachers waiting for her to understand. She's so confused, can't comprehend. Cosines, tangents, is just too complicated things. Answers hiding in her mind. Don't stop studying. Hold on to that information. Have faith. Smile. Don't stop studying. Hold on to that information. Have faith. Smile. Don't stop studying. Hold on to that information. Have faith. Smile. Don't stop.
Yeah, that wasn't bad, Alyssa and Cassie, but I think you can do better. And I am right now announcing the official launch of a competition between all 39 of my problem-solving students. You may begin submitting. They will be due by Christmas. Or we'll do it they'll be due the day we return from Christmas break. You may submit your own problem-solving or geometry-based cover of a classic 1980s song. Obviously, it needs to be a nice little video cover of your favorite 1980s song. I will pick the three best, the three that are my favorites. We will show them at school meeting. We'll have a school-wide vote on the best, and the winner will receive $20 of my very own hard-earned money. So get to work on that. Let me know if you have any questions. And tomorrow we'll also start working on the problems from this assignment. Have a good night.